When I come home from a day of fishing, my rods always end up in this corner. It's not the best spot. It's unorganized, hard to find the right rod, and it clutters the closet space. I decided it's time to upgrade to a better fishing rod storage system. First, I grab a measuring tape to figure out the exact spacing for the clips. I'm going to measure where I want each rod to hang and mark it on the wall for accuracy. Next, I attach the white trim to the wall. This trim will serve as a base for the clips, and I use a drill to secure it in place with screws. I then take the plastic clips and attach them to the trim at the marked spots. These clips will hold the fishing rod securely in place. I make sure the clips are evenly spaced for a clean and organized setup. I use a ruler to measure about 2.5 inches between each clip for perfect spacing. Now I start hanging my fishing rods. The clips hold them securely, and I can now easily access them whenever I need one. Finally, I step back and check if everything is perfect. The rods are neatly organized and the clips are doing their job. I can grab any rod I need without any hassle. The fishing rod storage wall is finally complete, and I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. I was able to use the space efficiently, and now my rods are easy to access and organized.